and welcome back to this web development full tutorial. I am Olawuni Emmanuel, and in the previous video we have seen how to use formatting elements in HTML, but in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use list in HTML. So I'm going to create a new file right here. I call it list.html. So I put my boilerplate and get started. In HTML, we use list to output order or to output a list of items. We have different kinds of lists in HTML. We have three types of them. There is a ordered list. Let me pull this out here. There are three types of list. So the first one is the ordered list. The second being unordered list. And the third is called a description list. So what do they do and how do they work? An ordered list gives a list of items by order. It gives a number to them in their level of hierarchy. So we can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is ordered. And we have unordered list, which does not give any level of hierarchy to any information that has been listed. They are just going to appear, and they could be bulleted instead of appearing in a particular order. Also, we have description list. Description list gives description about a particular item, and it is not commonly in use, but most times when we write traditionally we use description list because we type out or we write out a name and we give the description under it. The same thing applies to this. Now in HTML, it's not necessary that you wrap your text inside any element. If you do not wrap your text inside any element, they will be treated as a paragraph element, and that is why this may look like this. Although this is not going to break to the next line in the browser, this is going to appear all inside one line because I did not format it, as you have learned in this format lesson. So let me give you the examples of how to use this. In order to use ordered list, we use the tag OL for ordered list, and we indicate this first. Then in between the two tags, we now begin to type our list. Our list is indicated using the word the tag li to indicate a list. Li, then we are going to type what we want to list inside it. So I would say here ordered list, and then I'll type again unordered list, and I'll type again description list. These are going to be numbered, and if I check them in my browser, you can see the ones that I wrote without any element to wrap it, and the ones I wrote with the ordered list tag. It has ordered, unordered, and description list, all of them with figures. Also, I can use unordered list using the UL tag like this. Then I'll indicate the text inside it like this: ordered list, and then unordered list, and description list. With these three, You can see the way it appears here. In advanced CSS, you can change the style of this list. Instead of having 1, 2, 3, you can have them appear in Roman figure or other system of numbering. Also, you can have this, instead of being bulleted, you can have them as a disk or as any specified style in CSS. But in plain HTML, a normal list appears like this and another list appears like this. Now back to this, a description list, which is not commonly in use. To indicate a description list, we start with a keyword or the element DL, a DL for description list. Then we put in DD we put in DT first, which indicate the description title, and then I would say types of list. Under this, we now have our description data itself, which is going to be an explanation for the title that is listed above here. Description data. Then I'm going to copy this and paste it in here. And refresh my page. Now you can see what happens here. The types of list, description list now gives like a topic, and then it gives an automated spacing of a paragraph to make the new or to make the description text go under it. This is how list works in HTML. Most of the time we use list for the navigation menu, we use list for a couple of other things. In the next video, I'm going to be explaining to you how you can maximize your Emmet plugin if you are using VS Code. Kindly like and subscribe to this channel if you find the lessons helpful. See you in the next video.